how to fix content not accessible error in Roblox. If you want to fix content not accessible error in Roblox, there are a couple of ways that we can do to fix this. Now what you have to do is you simply have to update your maturity setting. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. Click on the profile icon, the gear icon from the top right hand side, and simply go to settings. On the left hand side, go to privacy and content restrictions, and from here go to content maturity. And you can see currently the content maturity is set to moderate. So if it's set to either moderate or restricted, you will get those type of options. So if you want to decrease it, you simply have to set this to mild or minimal, or maybe the very minimal than that as well. So these are the couple of things that you have to do. So you also have to go ahead and then simply set this to restricted right here. Choose a maturity level for your account, which this controls which experiences you can join. So you can go ahead and then set this to restricted, and then after that you must have to verify your age, that you're over 17 years, and once you verify it, you'll be able to access those. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.